On August 9th, 2023, Candle Wyck, an actress known for her commentary as much as her films, we just had an example, passed on, meaning she did not die, she's just not around anymore. Miss Wyck appeared on the silver screen in over 50 films, including The Unbecoming Lady of Mount St. Vincent, Schlivovitz, I Kissed Kennedy, and Alicia, Will You Please? She's best known, however, for her 1949 Oscar-winning romance with Tyrone Power. That's a comment, not a criticism. Born at a very early age in Yonkers, New York, because she wanted to be near her mother, she was named Nowicki Wojciechowski, launching the Madison trend, where you give a woman a last name as a first. Now, as a child, her mischievous brother Dick claimed, when it comes to tattling, no one can hold a candle to my sister. Her older brother Joe added, my sister's dramatic screams when I was running track led to her getting banned from my races.
I was screaming, Joey, Joey!
This led, however, to her calling as an actress. Her champagne-swilling sister Rita noted, my baby sister had to be a drama queen. I was a tough act to follow.
Absolutely.
And all this led to her branding herself as...
Candle Wyck.
Exactly. She began pretending she was Shirley Temple by giving out lollipops to sailors on the Yonkers Pier. And later, when she won the Miss Lido Beach beauty contest, she caught the eye of a film producer named Cass Ting Couch. He offered her a screen test. In her biography, called No One Appreciates Everything I Do Around Here, Candle wrote, all I did was appear in a bathing suit and say, when two vowels go walking, the first one does the talking. Cass Ting Couch interrupted and said, Dog, you got some built. Now that's talking. Now, Candle's father taught her how to sing, pay a compliment, tell a joke, and smoke a cigar. Her mother, Zosha, hoped she'd become a nun. She explained, she was always performing, though. I told her, drop out of Mount St. Vincent and pursue an acting career. Otherwise, you'll wind up an old lady with a priest as a boyfriend.
Good one.
And as it was, on the set of That's a Comment, Not a Criticism, she got into a torrid romance with Tyrone Power. The movie title was originally Swashbuckles and Bodices, but Candle improvised during a love scene. Sir, let's have some real sword play. Her quip then became the title, and that's a comment, not a criticism. Now, both actors denied their affair, but Candle went on to have 3 sons, all of whom she named Tyrone. One is Tyrone the Tale Teller, the other is Tyrone Presley, and there's Ty Crow, a muscle car dealer. Her daughter Elaine became a Fred Astaire impersonator, and the other daughter became Leanne Dunk, a country western star. But she added, I always hoped that Lainey would become a teacher. That's what I always wanted to be. Now, Candle Wyck was known for terrorizing the stage crew on the movie sets. A grip named Skip Looking Bright said, Miss Wyck always changed my props. She'd say, a job worth doing is worth doing well. But for her, it was, a job worth doing is worth doing 3 times over. I moved the set for her so many times on the set of Schlivovitz, I started drinking the stuff myself.
Schlivovitz is what my mom used to say instead of S-H-I-T.
Oh, you gotta teach that to Dustin.
Schlivovitz.
Now, no, I got lost here. Oh yeah, in the 70s, she traded her movie set for the suburban set, raising her 5 kids on Lido Beach, Long Island. She married a Colonel Kruk who was famed for telling General McAuliffe to respond to the Nazis' demand to surrender at Bastogne by saying, tell those dang Nazis nuts. And Kruk nicknamed his wife and told her, Alicia, will you please kiss Kennedy? And she said, I will. And she did 2 movies with that title. And then Wyck emerged in the 80s as a guest star on various TV sitcoms and soaps, following her son, Tyrone the Tale-Teller's suggestion to get a permanent for his hair, like Candle Wyck urged the actor Anthony Geary, who played Luke Spencer on General Hospital, to do the same, and it proved a real boost to Anthony Geary's career. And then this led to a great success and led to her appearing as a nurse on the show, Nurse BBU, the soap's loquacious interloper. And Wyck also guested on other shows, giving comments, not critiques, on programs like Only in Katona, Meet the Marritts, Ethel Crawford Drunk Calls, and she often appeared as a ghoulish dentist on Bell Cows. Currently, Candle enjoys the company of her 3 personal assistants, Chloe, Ari, and Gigi, who never complain when Candle asks them to do the job 3 times over, because, as they well know, it's never a critique, just a comment. Her children all say their mother is complex, or if it's not one thing, it's your mother, especially if she's your mother. The grandkids, however, know how to dance the jitterbug and how to recognize when that's music, which launched the career of her granddaughter, DJ Zosie, who appears in Hoboken, New Jersey as a famed DJ. And now...
Only Hoboken?
Apparently.
What about Lisbon?
And now she lives on in a little quiet community and still continues to go by the rule. It's always a comment, not a critique. And there's a little tribute
Yay!
to Candle Wyck.